So here's how you can easily download WhatsApp in laptop. First of all, click on the search bar on the bottom left on your computer, and then type in and search for Microsoft Store. After that, open Microsoft Store. Now wait for a bit for it to load up. And as you can see, we are now in the official Microsoft Store in our PC. From here, what you need to do is click on the search bar on the top and search for WhatsApp, and then click on WhatsApp. Now, you will get to see an option to download WhatsApp for your PC, but since I have it downloaded, I have the option to open it. So you just need to click on download, and once it gets downloaded, you can click on open to open it. And as you can see, we are now running WhatsApp in our PC. So that is exactly how you can download WhatsApp in laptop. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.